Hello everybody, Strengthen again here. Today I come with a different story because now I've realized that a lot of people out there, they wanted me to create a community because they like my work. They actually like my work. Now they said to me, they have a suggestion. A lot of people who are following me, they have a suggestion that I create a Telegram group. Because now everybody is on Telegram. I'm not on Telegram. I had a group for signals, right? On Telegram, paid group. Now they said to me, why don't you create a group on Telegram with a community of traders? With a community of traders where we can get to know you, the real you. Where we can get to share information with you. Where you get to mentor us as we are on the journey of becoming great traders below you. You are grooming us, meaning I need to groom them. I need to be, their father, their God. Not in a proud or pride way. No. In a way that, when someone is your mentor and you admire them, you want to be on their nest, so that they nourish you, or rather they feed you, or rather they groom you with the knowledge and the information they have. So I've created a group. Actually, it's been there for a while now, but not quite active. Now, in this group, everybody who wants to join, they need to just pay $25 once for 3 months to be in the group. Once for 3 months, which is for local people or for local citizens like South Africa, is 350 rands. That's it for 3 months. You'll be in the group for 3 months. So if you want to renew, it's up to you. If you like what you want to get in the group, then you will renew it after 3 months. 350 rands or $25 for international clients. Now in the group, what you get in the group, you get mentorship by me, from me. You get signals. Every week we will be sharing signals, very, very excellent signals, good signals. We include NASDAQ, we include Forex pairs, gold, whatever pair you mention it. We include everything. So we'll be sharing all the signals, we'll be sharing books, we'll be sharing videos. I will be sharing a lot of videos where I'll be holding a seminar like this one online, sharing the information that I have. So in this group, it will be very, very active. Everybody wants to join. Make sure that you send me a WhatsApp message or on Telegram. Send me a Telegram message or WhatsApp message on this group. Then I will send you the link to the group. You join. We go forward. I want you guys to go into 2020 with the mentality of success. I want you guys to be able to change your life and become a successful trader under my watch. I want to be the witness of your success. So I will be there to observe everything, every step. So if you are doing something wrong, please bear with me. I will be pointing you straight. I will tell you that this is not right. You need to change there and there and there and there. So that's where we'll be sharing a lot of useful information. Remember, $25 for 3 months. $25 for 3 months. Or for local clients, 350 rands. 350 rands for 3 months. So guys, this is a community where I hope and believe that everybody will be happy. Everybody will be getting the... Guys, are you telling me you don't have $25 to invest for 3 months? You invest in knowledge. You invest in, Forex trading, guys, is for lifetime. Until you die, then that's it. If you haven't died, then you still have a future in Forex trading. So guys, bear with me. I want to help you. I am here to help. Like I always say, I'm here to help. So if you want my help, you will definitely send me a message. So guys, this is the beginning of the beginning in your life. Make sure that you get in contact with me. Cheers. Take care. Love you guys. Mwah.